pulled up with 10 hoes in the Dooney van. I just pulled up with 10 hoes in the Dooney van. I just pulled up with 10 hoes in the Dooney van.
Zeke and Lou sitting in the spot trying to move some grams. Nigga told me I can't fuck his bitch, I bet Louis can. Oh, you got some dog shit, you the dookie man?
What's up is what's up.
Hey, you know, we out here. Hey, it's 10 now. Bitches, 10 now. You want to get in? It's about to be 20.
Yeah, bitches, drink, molly's, perks, lean, oh yeah, ooh, look at the molly, make your bitch do. Look at the drink, make your bitch do. Look at the weed, make your bitch do. Fuck it, look at the perk, make y'all know they do. Yeah, beat your bitch back down, I'ma get hold of Mac down.
That random shit.
Mommy, I got the ATV in the taking drugs. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, be in the getting drugs.
Talk about people acting real.
To be in the getting drugs. Right now they wanna show me love. So that give me the taking drugs. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, be in the getting drugs. Bottle full of bugs, mommy, I got the ATV in the taking drugs. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug, be in the getting drugs.
We're at motherfucking Rays. We making Project X2, the sequel. Real shit. Let's go.
Good. Turn up. Hey. What's up? Turn up. Hey. Hey. Yeah, say something to the camera, bro. Say what you gotta say. Get what's off your chest.
Alright, I donate everything to the church if I die.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Down that bitch.
Actually,
What's up, bro?
All you gotta do is eat some ass. That is the primary goal of life. It's just eat booty. Alive.
Wisdom.
Yeah?
Wisdom. Right here. Wisdom.
I made one video on Pornhub with no face of me and some girl. No, listen. You guys see my Pornhub, bro? He's capping. I made a video with just the dick in the fucking pussy, right? I got 3 million views.
Well, actually, say that again. Say that again.
hey, yo, look at this shit.
I posted the video, and I got 3 million views on the Pornhub. I got so much money. I got so much money on the Pornhub. It's crazy. It's crazy. What's your YouTube channel? I'll subscribe. I got a Pornhub. Look, it's with her. Me and her got 4 million on the Pornhub.
She hold him.
You got Pornhub, 4 million views.
I don't want my dick. I don't want to be around y'all dicks.
What's wrong with that? Every day that 3-way, we got over 10 mil, bro.
Especially if I ain't joining in.
I think that'd be weird to just stand up.
If I ain't getting it in, I'm not having my dick around y'all. Like, nah. You look like you from Hamtramck. Yeah, you look like you go Dearborn, Sawfield.
Yeah, that's kind of where we're from. No way.
Oh, I ain't in line.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What is this?
What up?
Huh?
I said, what up?
What is this?
Are people saying the police is here? Whoa, no. No, I've been over here the whole time.
There's probably some bullshit happening. Bro.
Gotta say them.
I can't speak right now.
Alright. Keeping that shit.
Damn.
Why are you mad though?
These guys are having fun.
Exactly. Look at the bottom.
Yup, hit it.
Oh.
Is that a dart? To get a track.
Look. Hey, look. This look like one of them.
Can you aim this at me so I can see?
Oh yeah. This look like one of them old ass 2010 YouTube rap interviews or some shit.
This shit is crazy. I've just been trying to hold it down.
What up? Say what you got to say.
Maybe, you know, this is the crib, you know, we just doing it big out here. Goat farm shit.
Hell yeah.
Goat farm. Follow me inside. You want?
Money, yeah. Bitches, drink, mollies, perks, lean, pull me up. Ooh, look at the molly, make your bitch do.